Ukrainians are using their ingenuity to implement new weapons, which are outsmarting Russian aggressors. Ukrainian Shark UAV is on the hunt for targets in Zaporizhia. In total, 5 Buk air defense systems were destroyed with the help of this new drone, with a 50 miles range and 4 hours of flight time, that is highly resistant to electronic warfare, used for conducting recon and providing target designation. Ukrainian Project Revenge is still working and still destroying Russian equipment. This time, the Russian 152mm self-propelled artillery 2 S-19 Pantsir-S was destroyed. Interestingly, the howitzer was destroyed at a distance of 12 miles from the drone operator. Drone view of a Ukrainian Mi-24 Hind gunship attack run with unguided rockets. Russian General Andrei Mordvichov said in an interview, "The war will take a long time. There is no point in talking specific dates. If we talk about Eastern Europe, what we have to do, of course it will take longer. Is Ukraine just a stage? Yes, exactly. It's just the beginning. I just can't understand this Russian maniacs. They are still dreaming of conquering Europe, while their military and country is falling apart." The corpses are lying around. 300 boys are bleeding. They are not evacuated. Criminal orders are being received. On pain of death, drive away the remnants of people. Threaten them with weapons. Threaten them with violence. We are not going to carry out criminal orders. Mobilized from the Bakhmut direction complained about the criminal orders of the commanders. In a video message, military reconnaissance companies of Regiment 1307 of the 6th Division said that for 6 months they have been fighting in the Bakhmut direction without vacations or rotation, with rare reinforcements and untrained personnel. Now they are tired of being silent, enduring losing comrades because, due to the thoughtless actions of the command, they are suffering heavy losses. Free advice: to avoid thoughtless losses due to criminal orders, you should not thoughtlessly go to someone else's land with weapons and participate in this inherently criminal war. A video appeared from Kazakhstan. Local residents made a person cover a Z symbol on his car with paint. He tried to justify himself that his last name, Zinoviev, starts with a Z, and apologized for his actions. Other Russian participant of the so-called special military operation was not allowed to enter Kazakhstan because he had a Z sticker on his car. He is furious and complains about Russia being oppressed.
Этот год воевал, неоднократно был ранен. Сегодня хотел проехать в Казахстан. У меня на машине, на заднем плане, видите, да? Сейчас покажу. Вон, наклейка есть. Z. Поддержим наших. Когда я приехал на границу Казахстана, меня не пускают туда. Заставляют сдирать эту наклейку. И говорят, что у них эти наклейки запрещены. Понятия не могу, к чему мы пришли, к чему мы приехали. Сдирать я ее не стал, я просто развернулся и уехал назад. Что получается? Нашу Россию, нас везде гнобят, а мы смотрим всем в задницу и молчим. Давайте, блин, все вместе встанем. Казахстанская машина, которая заходит, блядь, в Россию, должна, сука, наклеить эту буковку Z, блядь, или О, блядь, или В. Поддержании. Нет, пускай, блядь, ездит по своему Казахстану, а здесь передвигаются на такси, блядь. Почему нас должны гнобить, блядь, а мы должны сидеть и смотреть на это все, блядь. И мне это было, блядь, сказано со стороны угрозы, блядь, что если ты сейчас попытаешься проехать, блядь, там тебя арестуем, машину, блядь, заберем, блядь, а тебя выдворим, блядь. Я им еще не сказал, что я, бля, участник СВО. Если бы я сказал, что я участник СВО, мне бы, наверное, и руки ласты скрутили, блядь, увезли бы, продали бы, блядь, Украине. Че происходит, мужики, че происходит? Нас со всех сторон долбят, блядь.
Ukraine, the USA, and Romania will hold joint military exercises in the Black Sea and the Danube Delta, the Romanian Navy said. The Sea Breeze 23 exercises will take place from September 11th to 15. Military personnel from Bulgaria, France, Great Britain, and Turkey will also take part in them. This is the NATO answer to Russian attacks close to Romanian border, which is NATO member.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.